Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in this episode, I wanted to show you guys some progress of this home renovation. I mean, we've still got a lot of work to do. From the back of the house, it looks like we actually haven't done anything. But yeah, we've basically been working on the front half of the house. And in today's episode, I wanted to show you guys what we've done. Now, for those of you that are new here, I'll get you up to speed. Alright, so mid-2022, we sold our first house. I had a pregnant wife and a 3-year-old boy named Leo. We had like 12 weeks to find a new home, which was kind of stressful. We ended up purchasing this ugly duckling, but it is such a sick location. We are basically like right between the mountains and the ocean. Apparently there's great schools nearby, which will matter in a couple years. About 40 steps that way, there is really good coffee. And actually that building right there is a brewery. So, man. I mean, how could you say no? So work begun. Plastering, paneling, painting, well, creating new spaces and deleting old ones. So it looked like this. Three bedrooms, custom cabinets, walk-in wardrobe, brand new bathroom, herringbone oak floors, absolute punish. And we actually scored these awesome free timber doors that were taken out of a 1900s like cottage type house around the corner. How good is Facebook Marketplace? And man, we did a lot of painting, like so much painting. I hate painting. Then onto the outside of the building, we did a spotted gum hardwood deck, a new front door, a white picket fence, a new boundary fence, recycled brick letterbox. The bricks were left over from a job. Bunch of gardens and edging and things like that. And that right there is basically stage one complete. We spent around $30,000 on the inside of the house and then maybe an additional 10K on the outside of the house. So next is stage two. We are removing that existing extension that I just showed you guys earlier, and we're gonna build our own. Now this is going to feature like an open plan kitchen, living room, dining room that opens out onto a deck. I mean, nothing groundbreaking there, but it is going to have a few details which will, make it stand out from your standard sort of extension. Now that deck will spill out onto this backyard just here, and right behind me here, this old garage is going. We're gonna remove the whole thing. We're gonna build an office right here, and where the garage is gonna be my workshop. Of course, I'm pretty excited about. So my wife and I have basically designed the whole house. We've had the plans now drawn up. We're in our final stages. We've got our certifier locked in. We've basically got it all ready to go. This is all going to be a complying development, which in New South Wales means as long as we build to scope, for example, staying off boundaries by 900 mil, we don't really need to go through our local council. So this keeps the cost down and it means you can just get on with the work. Anyway, in the next episode, I'm going to show you guys the plans. Love to hear your thoughts, feedback, and anything you guys have to add. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.